In front of me is Alcatel One X from 2019, and let me show you how to activate spell checker on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, find and select settings, then now locate and open system, and here you should pick languages and input, so it's the first option here. Click on virtual keyboard, go to Gboard then, and select text correction. Now at the bottom of the list you will notice spell check, so unless it is active, just mark the switcher, and once it is done, once the indicator is active, your device will mark misspelled words while typing. You can also go back, and right here you've got spell checker, so you can smoothly activate it right here, and then select the language of your spell checker. You can smoothly change it. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.